Now let us learn to express 210 as a product of its prime factors. Now we start by looking for the lowest prime number that divides 210 without a remainder. And that would be 2. 2 in 210, that is 105. Now, 2 cannot divide 105. So we look for the next number that can divide 105 without a remainder. After 2 as a prime number, the next prime number we have is 3. And can 105 be divided by 3 without a remainder? Yes. So the next prime factor is 3. And 3 in 105 would be 35. The number 35 would then be divided by the next prime factor. Of course, 2 cannot be possible in this case. Likewise can 3. 3 cannot go in 35. It will always give us a remainder. So we go to the next one, which is 5. And 5 in 35 would give us 7. And then the next prime factor that can go is 7. 7 in 7 is 1. Here, we now see that the factors of 210 can be written as this. As 210 rather, can be written as the product of the following prime factors. That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 7. So 210 equals 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 7. This is how we express a whole number as a product of its prime factors. Thank you.